Would you like to make this card and envelope right now for free? Keep watching. Hello everyone, my name is Tina. I'm head of design of VectoriaDesigns. The crafting project that I have for you today is very simple. Sometimes crafting projects can look a bit too large or too difficult and you just want to enjoy crafting very quickly and easily. Now the free project that I have for you today is a card with a matching envelope. It is quickly made and the card can be used for any occasion. So if you're ever in the situation of I need a card, I need an envelope, and the shops are closed, what will I do? This card is the answer to all your prayers. Just print, cut, make, and you're ready. I'm also going to show you a slightly different way to close this envelope. Quickly, if you like crafting with paper and you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, and now let me show you. These are the pages that you will get. I printed these on 160 grams paper. This is the card that you can fold in half. It has a very soft watercolor paper texture with some watercolor pattern. And here's a nice geometrical shape with some lavender flowers. And you can see that coming back on the envelope as well. By the way, I will include the JPEG files as well as the PDF. On the JPEG files, you can add your own text before printing with the tutorial that I put in the description. So you can really use this card for any occasion. First, I'm gonna cut out the card. It's all straight, so it's very easy. So here's the card. Just fold in half. And it's ready, and you can write a lovely message in the center. And for the envelope, the same. So I cut out the main pieces with my trimmer, and the other sides I'm going to cut out. So these corners. The next step is to fold from corner to corner. You can use a ruler and a bone folder or an empty pen to make the creases, but I'm gonna use my scoreboard. Just a bit faster. Fold all the flaps inward. And now you can close this envelope in the classic way. So fold these inward, fold this one over and put some glue where these two overlap. So here and here, and just close it. Or, as I'm about to do, take your card, put it in there. See, it fits nicely. I'm going to take this little decorative card and I'm going to punch a hole in the middle on the edge here. And I'm going to punch a hole in the same place on the other side here. I'm gonna take a piece of rope. You can also use some ribbon or twine. I'm gonna measure 3 times the width of the envelope. Twice. This is once. And I make a copy of that. Fold this one in half. And this fold, I'm going to thread through the hole, back to front, open the loop and pull those 2 ends through. And I'm going to do that on both sides. So with other one too, fold in half, back to front, pull through the ends, like this. Now you have some kind of a little label, where you can put some text on too if you like. Place it on the envelope, and on the back, just tie a knot. With this design, of course, I can't place this in the middle because I would hide this beautiful element. But if you want to close it a bit further, just put a little piece of double-sided tape here or a glue dot, and here too as well. And here you have it, a very beautiful envelope with a very beautiful card for a very beautiful friend or family member. Another possibility is to, I'm just gonna pull it off, put this label on the other side. Let me just slip this back on like this. Like this. Cut the ends a bit shorter because they're a bit in the way now, like this. And you can put a lovely twig of lavender under here or some other greenery that you have to make it extra beautiful. Just going to wrap this around to make it extra beautiful. And there you have a beautiful card that you can use for any occasion, one that's quickly printed and made and one that doesn't use up a lot of ink. If you like this freebie, please give this video a thumbs up, thank you! Share this video with your friends and your online friends. And I wish you a truly beautiful day. See you next time everyone, bye!